You play drums on Escape, the Piña Colada song.
If you like piña coladas and getting caught in the rain, if you're not into yoga.
When we first recorded it at Plaza Sound in New York, which was in the Radio City Music Hall, and my dear friend Leo Damian was on drums as well. There's a double drum thing happening on there. And he had a new set of Tama drums. And he had these Tama drums because he loved the way Stuart Copeland's drums sounded. So he went and bought a set of Tama drums.
Nice.
And the other drums in the studio were just the studio drums, and they weren't very good.
Yeah.
And so Leo said, play my drums, and he'd play the other drums. And the lyrics were completely different. The lyrics were people need other people. People need other people. And it was like, hippie lyrics. And I didn't think anything of it. And then like a year and a half later, I hear this song.
If you like piña coladas and getting caught in the rain, if you're not into yoga, if you have half a brain, if you like making love at midnight.
And I go, that sounds familiar. What is that? Oh my God, that's the track. That's the thing.
That's me.
Yeah. And then he rewrote the song, and next thing you know, it's number one, and it's like really weird. So that was the first number one record I ever played on.
Unreal.
It's crazy.
We do this kind of stuff on YouTube all the time with drummers that we bring in, just like Steve. And we also have a full Drumeo platform where we'll teach you how to play drums if you've never played before, or if you've played for years, we'll help you take your playing to the next level. And there's a link down below. You can check out Drumeo free for 7 days. And Steve, you also wanted to talk quickly about the Jazz Foundation of America.
Absolutely. Megan Voss and I are the artistic directors for the foundation. We help musicians in need. We can help people with rent, mortgages, car payments, pro bono health care. We also have programs like Jazz in the Schools, or if you just need someone to talk to. If you want to know more about the foundation, you can go to www.jazzfoundation.org to get to our website and find out more.
I was tired of my lady. We'd been together too long, like a worn-out recording of a favorite song. So while she lay there sleeping, I read the paper in bed, and in the personal columns there was this letter I read. If you like piña coladas and getting caught in the rain, if you're not into yoga, if you have half a brain, if you like making love at midnight in the dunes on the Cape, then I'm the love that you've looked for. Write to me and escape. About my lady, I know that sounds kinda mean, but me and my old lady have fallen into the same old routine. So I wrote to the paper, took out a personal ad, and though I'm nobody's poet, I thought it wasn't half bad. Yes, I like piña coladas. Red tape at a bar called O'Malley's, where we'll plan our escape. smile in an instant. I knew the curve of her face. It was my own lovely lady. And she said, oh, it's you. Then we laughed for a moment. And I said,